Hi, this is Virendra. How do you do? I'm sure you are enjoying very happy, peaceful, healthy, and a very positive state of mind. Dear friends, the very purpose of life is to be very happy and try to make people happy. And this is only possible once we fill our mind, heart, and soul with enlightening thoughts, noble ideas, and that is available. There have been so many great people on this planet who dedicated their life and they got enlightenment. One such great person, whom I bow always in reverence, was Dr. Napoleon Hill. He was the first person who gave us the laws of success and that benefited millions and millions of people. He was such a great person who was able to have friendship with the most successful people of his time. People like Henry Ford, Andrew Carnegie, Graham Bell, Sir Thomas Alva Edison, and so on and so forth. He was the man who realized the power of the supreme thing which a man is born, and that is the power of the mind. The intellect, if stimulated, can generate wonders, and people have done it. That is very fertile brain where brilliant ideas can come and revolutionize the world. His philosophy was whatever a mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. And so, if all of us are willing to have any great thing in life, we must have a deep rooted desire. We should make a list of all the desires, memorize them, and after that, we should see how we can achieve those desires in our life, and we should also make a list of that. So, what we are going to get, and in return, what we are going to give it. And once the list is ready, that is the planning, setting the objectives, and defining the procedures. After that, the blessings of the Almighty Father is equally very important. So we have to pray. Pray the Lord so that He can bless us to use our power of the mind to concentrate and to focus and to control it and direct it towards the end of our dreams, desires. From this great person, I want to share with you the great thoughts which can be the seed of your great success in life. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. Your ability to use the principle of autosuggestion will depend very largely upon your capacity to concentrate upon a given desire until that desire becomes a burning obsession. You might well remember that nothing can bring you success but yourself. You always give before you get. You can start right where you stand and apply the habit of going extra mile by rendering more service and better service than you are now being paid for. Wise men, when in doubt whether to speak or not to speak, keep quiet, give themselves the benefit of doubt, and remain silent. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superman power to achieve it. So have a big dream, have a big desire, and focus your mind, control it, direct it, and remember, you can definitely be crowned with success. There is absolutely no doubt. Millions of people have benefited by using the power of mind. Lot of things have been discovered with a brilliant idea, with imaginations and visualizations. Your mind too can dream, visualize, fill this mind with fertile ideas. Use this and remember, what we do not use, that we lose. And unfortunately, very few people use the intellect, the mind, which is so supreme and so powerful. And remember, when defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound. Rebuild those plans and settle once more towards your coveted goal. But never give up, never quit. This will be the cowardice. Success will never come. It is the test of your patience, your faith, your determination, your daring, your enthusiasm, your belief and conviction in your power of personality. We begin to see, therefore, the importance of selecting our environment with the greatest of care, because environment is the mental feeding ground out of which the food that goes into our mind is extracted. War grows out of the desire of the individual to gain advantages at the expense of his fellow man. Shame, we should never have war. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. Fight. Use your full might. You are a lion. You are a giant. You have energy. You have enthusiasm. You have the power to concentrate your mind. And you are bound to get great success in your life. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. Understand this law, and you will then know, beyond room for the slightest doubt, that you are constantly punishing yourself for every wrong you commit and rewarding yourself for every act of constructive conduct in which you are indulging. Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of another person. Beloved friends, these are immortal words which the greatest man, Dr. Hill, experienced and learned from the experience of all the most successful people of his time. And it is abundantly available before you. And I am sharing with you. I am sure you will get maximum benefit, as I am every day chewing and digesting and trying to implement this knowledge into my daily practice in life. Wish you great success, wish you greatness in life. Be motivated and inspired. You can really bring dreams of the great person of our generation who is living in his deeds in action. Become great. Thanks for watching the video.